Hi guys, my name is Jordan, and in this very short video we're going to cover the sell setups I'm looking for here in Euro-Yen. So let's see what do we have. The whole idea starts from the daily chart. Okay, top to bottom analysis, ABCD completed, no divergence, and that tells me only one thing: I'm looking for continuation to the downside. Price is currently bouncing, or it is almost reaching the top of this trend line, and we see that on the previous move right here we already had hidden bearish divergence. Now this push couldn't provide the actual continuation lower, however we managed to continue trading inside this channel. Okay, so this is where we can drop to the lower time frames. This is where we can start looking for a possible entry zone for ourselves. And to be honest, the way it looks at the moment is very seductive. Why? Because we have the trend line, we have this previous high here, okay? And if I zoom in, we can already see that there is divergence on the histogram as well. So speaking of that, together with this inner leg right here on its own, things look interesting, and that means we can already be looking for aggressive sells, of course. But check this out: if we assume that this is the channel which the price is currently following, and that channel is not yet reached, and if I zoom in here, you're also going to see that this cycle together with that cycle is bringing us right there. Okay, this is the magnet zone we're referring to. You can see the two levels here. Okay, so getting a false break above this trend line, because everyone else is going to assume, all right, that's it, this is the end, let's go ahead and look for the sells, would make a perfect zone for the big guys to clear that level, hit some stops, all right, and then the possible continuation to the downside. So yes, completion of the divergence here makes sense for aggressive entries, but in my opinion we still have much more room. Well, not much more room, it's 50, 60, 70 pips probably, but definitely looking for one more leg to the upside, and that would be then completing a wave like this. So first wave, pullback, second wave, and then down. And if you go ahead and check out the 1 hour chart, we more or less get the same idea. No divergences yet, only divergence here. So getting one more push higher to complete the divergence. Basically, once we break above that high, we can start looking for the possible reversals once the divergence is completed. Of course, invalidation would be break above with momentum, holding above the critical zones, etc., and then possible continuation to the upside. But this is already another setup, another point of view. So, well, if you're interested into those things, you can leave a comment and I'm ready to chat about it. But that's basically the sell idea. So that's more or less the idea, guys. If you have again any questions, leave a comment below, thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you like those videos, and don't forget to join us in Telegram, where you can get many more setups like this one from me and Vladimir. And the best part is it's absolutely free. So have a wonderful day. Bye for now.